Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and just wanted to smash it because of your skin? Yeah, that was me. I used to hide from cameras, skip hangouts, and pretend I was fine, but inside I hated the way I look. Acne wasn't just on my face, it was in my head, messing with my confidence every single day. And the crazy part? What finally helped me wasn't some expensive treatment, it was just one simple product. When my acne was at its worst, I felt like people were staring at me instead of listening to me. I tried home remedies, haldi masks, toothpaste, lemon, you name it. I put it on my face. I wasted money on creams and products I couldn't even pronounce. Sometimes my skin would dry out so badly it hurt to smile, and other times it was so oily that no amount of washing helped. Nothing worked, and every new breakout made me lose a little more confidence. But then something changed when I stopped doing the most and started doing the least. So, one day I was scrolling online and saw people talking about keeping skincare simple. Just cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, that's it. Honestly, I was desperate, so I bought just one thing, the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. No serums, no scrubs, no 10-step routine, just a cleanser. And trust me, I didn't believe it at first either. I started using it twice a day, morning and night. The first week? Honestly, nothing special. My skin still looked bad, but at least it didn't feel tight or burning. By week 2, my face didn't feel like an oil factory anymore. My breakouts weren't gone, but they weren't exploding either. And for the first time in months, my skin felt calm. It wasn't an overnight miracle, but it was the first time I felt hope. Slowly, I started noticing changes. The big, painful pimples weren't showing up as often. The redness went down. My skin wasn't constantly greasy. It was like my face could finally breathe, and those small wins, they added up. My confidence came back little by little. I didn't feel the need to hide as much. I could look in the mirror and not instantly hate what I saw. And that's when I realized, sometimes less really is more. Here's the thing, acne is not just about your skin. It eats you from the inside. It makes you doubt yourself, makes you feel like people are judging you. That's the hardest part, the mental battle. But once my skin started calming down, my mind did too. I could focus on my life instead of my pimples. I stopped asking what's wrong with me every time I saw my reflection. And the best part? I did it without 20 products, just one. I think the reason the CeraVe cleanser worked for me is simple. It didn't strip my skin, it didn't overload it with chemicals, and it helped balance the oil without making me dry. It's gentle but effective, and that's what my skin needed all along, a break from all the harsh stuff I was throwing at it. It taught me the most important lesson. Clear skin doesn't always mean complicated skincare. Is my skin perfect today? No. I still get the occasional breakout, but it's nothing compared to before. My skin is calmer, cleaner, and way easier to manage. Most importantly, I don't obsess over it anymore. I don't hide from people or avoid cameras. I'm finally comfortable in my own skin again. And all of that started with one bottle of cleanser. So if you're struggling with acne right now, I get it. I know how heavy it feels. My advice? Don't give up and don't overcomplicate it. Sometimes the simplest step can make the biggest difference. For me, that was just using CeraVe cleanser. And if it helped me, maybe it can help you too. If you connected with my story, drop a comment and let me know what you're going through. I'd love to hear it. And if you want more honest skincare experiences, don't forget to subscribe, because clear skin is a journey and we're in this together.